Hello all. This is a basically a kind of a job portal, a placement portal, which has an integration of a company, a college, and a student. All three can involve with this platform, and can student can take the benefits applying for job for with the help of AI capability, and also a company can speed up their hiring process, and also with the help of a college module, college can have a visualization of number of student has placed and how many yet to be placed. Okay, so this is the AI platform which basically developed to integrate all three major portals, okay, which basically have a separate day-to-day life. Okay, so this is something which will combine everything. Okay, and along with this some basic features, it has intelligence placement workflow. Like, what is the workflow? First, you have to student has to build their profile, and based on build profile, AI will automatically search for the jobs, whatever jobs a company has been posted in the portal. So AI will automatically search for the job, and if the ATS score matches more than 90% with the requirement, skill, and job description, so it will automatically apply for the job for the particular student. And along with this, it has also AI powered LLM integration career chatbot, where a student can interact with chatbot, where we student can ask any query, any tips, any related to jobs or anything related to study or anything they can ask, as it has a LLM integration, and it can also ask for the current application and available jobs, everything they can ask. Okay, and along with that, it also has one of the feature mock interview feedback. Like, whenever a student do any interview, so interview student can fill a interview form, there it will give the score, whatever score they have received in the interview, during the interview, and based on the profile of student, and they based on the feedback they have received from company, so our mock interview feedback system will analyze everything based on the student details and the interview feedback. So based on that, it will generate some feedback which can help student to improve for the next interview. So that is something we have for integration of this particular mock interview feedback system. Along with this, we do have a platform called smart resume templates. Okay, so based on profile, whatever profile student will build and whatever information they will put, we have created a certain list of almost 12 to 13 resume template. So their student can automatically generate their resume. They just have to select the template, and template will automatically generate the PDF. So, and that PDF student can use anywhere. Okay, so that is something we have a innovative idea in this particular portal, and it has student, companies, and college, all three integration. Let's begin with the company portal. Okay, first, company has to create their account on clicking on get started. Company has to create the account. Like, suppose this is the account I want to create. Let's suppose I am creating for Wipro. Okay, and their password which they will be used as a login. Okay, and they have to click continue. Once they continue, they will ask some more questions, so the company has to fill. Okay, as of now I already have account for the company, so I'll use that one. Okay, so I do have account. Chat. So I'm right now logging as a company. Okay, so this is the company dashboard. So as you can see, this is a dashboard where a company can view the basic statics and the basic graphs, ki how many jobs has been created and how many people are applied and how many got selected and application job, everything they will be able to view here. Okay, if company want to edit their profile, they can go to company profile section, and they can click to edit section, and they will able to edit the information. Okay, similarly, if they want to check key past job application which they have created, so they can go to my job section, and in the my job section they will be able to view all the details. Okay, like right now jobs has been posted, and if company want to view details, they can click on view details, so they will able to get complete list, key package, job description, requirement, etc. Okay, same if they want to view for the application, ki how many people are applied for the same, so they can also click on view application. In view application, they will be able to see ki how many people are applied, and if they want to update the status like interview selected, shortlisted, whatever, so they will able to update it from here. Okay, company want to see the profile of student, ki whatever whoever student applied for the same, so they has to simply click on the particular student name, and student detail will appear. Okay, so this is the student details which has been appeared, and they can also able to download download the resume, whatever resume they have updated those, so they will be able to download it, okay, and they can view it. So this is the overall details for my posted. And also if company want to create a new job, so they will also able to do it from here, okay. Let's suppose I'm creating a job for Java developer, basic understanding of core and advanced Java, okay. So this is the job description and it is the full-time job. Let's suppose put Nagpur, okay, and let's keep a package of 4 lakh to 6 lakh, okay. This is the average package, and required skills are like Java 8, and let's suppose put a Spring Boot, okay, something. Eligibility criteria, let's take a Bachelor of Engineering or BTech, etc. Okay. Minimum CGPA should supposed to be 7 and batch criteria should be 2025. Application end date will be 31st. Number of openings will be 2, okay, and it is for the fresher. So let's post a job. So as you can see, as you have posted a job, it got posted here, okay, and it is currently active. So you can also deactivate it from here, okay. Toggleable, okay, so you can toggle it, okay. Also if company want to browse for a particular student, or they want to view the list of students, so they can also go to this browser student section. So in the browser student section they will able to view it, okay, give all student name and their skills and CGPA. And if you want to go for more details, so they have to click on particular student, so they will be able to download resume and everything, okay. So this is the overall about the company portal. So company able to log in and able to perform all this operation. Similarly, let's go for the college portal, okay. So we I have already created a college portal, so you can also create a college portal by creating on click on a button, and then you have to select college, and then you have to fill the information, and then respectively it will create the account. So same, let's go to login. So this is the one of the account which I have. So this is the dashboard for the college. So as you can see, I can see the total student, number of student placed, unplaced student, placement percentage, ki how many percentage of placement, and number of application, average CGPA, average package which student received, okay. And this is the overall placement view. This is the rate by department, and this is the student distribution, and this is the department wise placement, ki how many placement has been done. Like there is a information technology which has the total student 2 and 1 got placed, so it is 50% placement rate for the particular department, right? Similarly, if company want to edit their profile, they can go to college profile section, they can click on edit, then can put the information and they will update, okay. Same if they want to view the student list, so they can also go to student section, and they will able to see the students and their profiles like this, okay. Same if particular college want to send some notification to particular student for particular or globally, okay. Let's suppose they want to open some TCS drive, right, and they want to put some link, apply at this link, okay. Okay, so this is the link, so they have to apply, and there's a job generate a different type of notification, job alert or everything, okay, and it is optional. And if they want to apply, send it to particular student, they can send it. If they want to broadcast for all, so they can also do it from here, okay. So we have generated a notification for the particular student, so student will have the that particular notification, okay. So this is the overall portal for college, okay. Now let's go for the particular student model, which is our main focused area, okay. So let's signing as a student. So there is a same page for the sign up. So you have to go to student section, you have to fill the details, and you will be able to log in as a sign up, okay. I do have already account, so I can just fill the information, the login credential, and I'll just click on signing. So after signing, so as you can see, my profile got open. So here are the menus which are functionality of our project, okay. So basically this is the overall dashboard for the student. In the dashboard it will give me the overall profile score based on my profile details which I have set in my profile section. Okay, profile strength and number of eligible jobs which I am eligible and not applied yet, and number of application which I applied, and the notification. As you can see, we have just generated a notification. So in the eligibility jobs, these are the four open jobs which are eligible and I can apply it for. Okay, as you can see, this is the notification which we have generated, right? Okay, recently. So this is the recent notification which is generated. And if you click on see all button, so you will be able to view all the list. Okay, so this is the particular TCS drive which we have recently generated notification. Okay, and there is a profile section. So in the my profile section, user student will able to edit their information. They can put their roll number, phone number, about LinkedIn profile, GitHub profile, etc. They can put their education details. Okay, they can add or delete the education details. They can, if they have work experience, they can put their work experience, internship, okay, etc. details. They can add, remove. I have already put in some information for the reference. Okay, and also we have a skill section where they can able to add a skill, okay, or delete a skill. Okay, let's suppose I am adding some skill like communication skill. Communication skill. Okay, they can set the level and experience. Okay, and they can also add a project, certificates, etc. Okay, and once they will update, they have to save, click on save button. And they can also able to update the profile icon. Let's suppose I'm updating the icon, okay, to this one, and let's click on save. So as you can see, my profile got updated. Okay, let's refresh one more time. So as you can see, everything got appeared. So this is the overall view for the my profile section. So students first have to fill up this for the particular application job to apply for the job. So okay, so in the job section, if I go to job section, so I will be able to view all the jobs. Okay, so as you can see, these are the currently open jobs. Okay, which are open right now. Okay, so as you can see, we have recently created one job which is for Java developer. Let's search for the Java developer. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, these are the two openings. First one is this. So we have opened the job for the particular TCS, right, with the package of 4 to 6 LPA. So this is the job. As you can see, system has auto applied this particular job because my ATS scores is almost 100%. My already all skilled are properly aligned with the requirement, and I have updated a profile and everything is up to date. That's why it is automatically applied for the job. And if go for the details, as you can see, everything is matching. Okay, and so system has automatically applied on the behalf of student. So this is the job application which is already applied for the job. Similarly, which jobs which is not aligned with the particular job, let's suppose this is the particular job, data engineer intern, which has ATH score of 79% only, right? So system has not applied for the particular. If student is interested in this, so student has to apply it manually. Okay, so if I go to details, as you can see, few skills are aligned with my requirement and my skills, and few are not. So these are the skills which is not aligned with my particular skills for that with respect to job. Okay, so I can add this and then I can increase the ATS score, and then I will able to apply it. Okay, and if I want to apply still, then you can click on apply, and then you have to click on submit button. So the system will apply the particular on behalf of you. Okay, so in the application section, you will be able to see the all application status. Right now we have system has applied for this one. So as you can see, view job, you will be able to see the all details of job, and in view section you will be able to see timeline and etc. Okay, so this is the job application which student can apply and view for the particular status. And company will able to update the status, right, whether the shortlisted or not. Okay, so as you can see, I have updated for one of the job which is shortlisted, so it has updated as a shortlisted. Okay, so in resume uploads, user will also able to upload the latest resume whatever they have built it. Okay, and they can also download the resume. Okay, and one of the important feature which is the resume builder. So this is the something which is we are providing resume builder. So based on the profile detail whatever user has set in the profile, so it will automatically generate the PDF. As you can see, it has generated a very beautiful PDF, resume PDF for me. Okay, so which I can download. Okay, and I can select different template. Every template has a different architecture and different view. Okay, as you can see, this is something very professional. Okay, elegant. Okay, so we have almost 10 to 12 templates which you can generate the PDF. Okay, and student able to download it. So whenever it will download, so they can able to open the particular PDF. So as you can see, it has generated very beautiful PDF with my aligned with my details, right? This is the resume builder. Okay, student can generate the resume. Same, this is the notification section where they will able to see the all notification. Okay, so now let's come to the second important feature of our project, that is a AI chatbot. So this is the LLM integration chatbot which we have integrated with our portal, where I can ask for anything. So let's suppose I'm asking ki what are the skills demanded in 2025. Now it will search for the 2025 demanded skill and it will give me the result. As you can see, these are the demanding skills. And here I can also ask for the what are applications which I have applied. So I can ask this way, or if I want to ask for the particular. So as you can see, these are the jobs which I have applied. Okay, and let's suppose did I applied for the Infosys job. I can ask like this way. You can ask anything. So based on LLM, it will give me the result. As you can see, it has went to the database and extracted the information and giving me the response. Ki yes, you have applied and whatever details, etc. Okay. Okay. And if I want to ask for something like, can you suggest me some Java playlist in Python playlist, so it will also now give me some playlist which is for the Python and Java. Okay, so this way you can ask anything with the chatbot. Okay, let's suppose I want to ask, okay, how to negotiate salary, so it will give the result accordingly, okay, based on my profile. Okay, so this way you can ask anything with this chatbot. And also we do have a portal which is the interview preparation. So this is something, let's suppose you have applied for the job and student had the interview with the company and now they got some feedback. Okay, so that feedback student has to update here. Let's suppose it was a technical interview which I have done and I have got overall a 5 score, and for the communication also, let's suppose I got 4, and for technical I got 7, and problem solving also got 5 something. Okay, so my weakness was communication. Let's suppose my weakness was communication, problem solving in Java, right? And strong was key core Java. Lightning was my strong in the interview, advanced Java. Okay, and now so let's suppose it was my feedback which I received from company. Now I want ki how I can improve this particular for the next round, okay, or next interview. So I can get put the information here and click on get AI feedback, and then AI will generate the feedback. See, this is the overall technical interview which I have done, right? So as you can see, AI has given this feedback ki what need to be improved and how to be improved. Okay, and also AI has suggested ki what playlist, YouTube resources I should refer, and what Udemy course I should go for the particular clearance of that particular interview, right? So you can now go to this link and they can go through the process and they can improve themselves, right? And some recommendation topics also. See, weakness was communication. Okay, right? So they have given some suggested topic for communication skill assessment. So this is the overall for the interview preparation. Okay, and now in the dashboard you will be able to see the all overview. So this is all about Talentra, which is our portal which is AI integration. Okay, so yeah, that is all about the project, and let me know in case of any doubt.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.